Okay, the collection takes up slightly after where the collector ended. As you remember, he actually fully kidnapped the guy he was trying to get the majority of the movie. That guy, I think it's Arkin, escapes. So he's actually left the main compound. Well, the collector decides that he wants somebody else. Pretty much booby traps a discotheque to a point where it is probably one of the most bizarre, elaborate. I'm going to lock you into this room while I pretty much drop what looks like a thresher into this. And then have like pressure plates. So it murders a ton of people in a very violent, over-the-top fashion. Some mercenaries, hired by the father of the one girl who's been captured, well, are like, well, you know, Arkin knows his way back. So Arkin, who just gets out, now has to go back into the collector's actual house. Now, in the first one, there's a lot of disbelief because it comes to he sets up an elaborate amount of traps in a house in a couple of hours. This time, they're actually on his turf. So it makes sense for there to be ridiculously elaborate traps. He's also got people that he's heavily drugged, so they're kind of like a zombie army. That's what this movie is. It's a little over an hour. Because they kind of knew, guy escapes, dude kidnaps girl, guy who escaped has to now lead mercenary team through area. You know, it was nice. If you like The Collector, this one, they ramp up the blood and the gore ridiculously higher. But it makes sense because they're actually fighting the guy on his own home turf.